it's Kate with WTI, and I have found the perfect gift for the cat and or pizza lover in your life, and it is this adorable plushie by GUND. This is Pusheen, the super adorable cat, and Pusheen has a little slice of pepperoni pizza. I think that this plushie is so adorable, and it has so many really cute details, from the whiskers, the cute little smile, the little slice of pizza it's holding, its little feet, and then its stripes on the back and striped tail. It is so incredibly soft. This is perfect for cuddling. This is sure to make someone smile if you get it for them as a gift. This is a quality stuffy. It's well put together, so it's gonna last through lots of cuddles, lots of squishing, which you're not going to be able to help because it's so squishy. You're looking for the perfect gift to make someone smile, someone, whether that's a little one in your life who loves Pusheen, or maybe it is a not so little one who just really loves cats and pizza. They're going to appreciate this super cuddly Pusheen snackable pizza cat. Definitely check this out. I think it makes a perfect gift. It's perfect for squishing and cuddling. Great to give to someone maybe that you don't live close to. It's like receiving a little hug from you. I think you're gonna love it. I love it, but that's just my point of view.